Turanga FM Parakuihi Show Online with Matai and Rahia. Tomo mai, e wera te kai.
Iwa te kau Matai ira whitu ki te iarere, iwa te kau Matai ira whitu ki te ipurangi. Turanga FM Parakuihi Show on air and online with Matai and Rahia. Atamari e hoa mako te kau marima o hongongoi tēnei.
Mōre nei he ka mānau mai anō ki Parakuihi Online.
Now, this weekend is going to be a big one right here in the 06 Turanganui a Kiwa.
The Poverty Bay Rugby semi-finals are tomorrow and it's do or die for the top 4 teams.
Now, both premier teams will be played at Rugby Park with first placed Waikohu playing fourth placed Ngātapa.
And second place YMP taking on third place OBM in the other semi.
There are some big games ahead. He pakanga nui kei te haere. So get along and watch tomorrow's semi-finals games, or alternatively, if you cannot make it, both games will be live via Turanga FM Media Facebook page from 1 p.m. Hoi anō, nā kuni ka mātakitaki tātou i a Rahia e mātakitaki kiriata Maori ana, ingari tu tuatahi, anei ngā kaitimo o te wā.
Tai oro. Ngā tai pito pito o te tai rāwhiti.
Mōre nei he ka mā aha kua kei te hōtoke tonu tātou kua tīmata ke te whānautanga mai o ngā reme tōna tikanga hei te marama o mahuru ke tīmata ai. Kua kitea e tahi reme ki te tai rāwhiti he hua na ngā hipi pakeke o ngā māpu hipi. Koinei e tahi reme i kitea ki makauri ki te tai rāwhiti i ngā tata nei. A whitu te kauma iwa tāngata kua pāngia i te mate kōwhiori roto i ngā haora rua te kauma whā kua taha ke nei toko whā tonu kei te hōhi pera. Ono te kauma waru paiheneti o te wāhi nei kua whakawhiwhia ki o rātou wero tuatoru. A kāte, koe ranga kaitimo Parakuihi ko Rahia tumutumu hau a tamari.
Parakuihi tahi ki a Matai raua ko Rahia. 91.7 on air and online.
Tēnā koe Rahia. Now, earlier we spoke about the Premier semi-finals, but tomorrow we've got more rugby as well.
Tomorrow the Senior 1 semi-finals will also be contested.
Now, top of the table, Wairoa Athletic play fourth place Tapuai at Te Wairoa.
And second place Pirates play third place Nuhaka at the Oval.
Now, there's a lot of great action. Huri noi te tai rāwhiti. If you're keen for watching local rugby tomorrow, get along and support your teams, or else, as I said earlier, alternatively go to the Turanga FM Media Facebook page.
But if there's a different type of action you're keen to watch, might I recommend the Odeon Picture Theatre?
Now, Maori in movies is growing leaps and bounds every year. From our talented actors, directors, producers, there are more and more amazing talent getting involved in movies all of the time.
And that's why I went to the Odeon to check out all the films featuring Maori talent out right now.
Do you have popcorn and ice cream?
No, I didn't.
Okay, all right, let's check it out.
Kia ora e te iwi, kei konei ahau, kei wahu atu e te whare pikitia o Odeon. We are here at Odeon because Maori films are becoming the norm here now in Aotearoa and also worldwide. Taika Waititi recently said that he always wanted to see more Maori in films, so what better way to do that than to come here and to watch Taika Waititi's new film Thor, but also let's also feature some of the other Maori films that will be here at Odeon for a few more weeks now. Nō reira, ki te titiro tātou, ki ngā pikitia e whataana ki te pakitara nei, ko te whetū marama on Sir Heck Busby, the Wayfinder of the Pacific. Anā titiro ki raro nei, obviously, ko whina. Ka tahi nō tēnei kaputa, e pāna ki te whaia o te motu. Also, we must not forget, i ngā wiki ruarua kua taha ki nei haere mātou ki te whakarewatanga o The Lion King ki te reo Māori. That's also sold out here at Odeon. I don't know how long for, but ever since it came here, it's been sold out. So those are not the movies that we're going to watch today. We're actually going to watch Thor, because tōna tikanga ka whakātu here a tūmatawenga, the Maori god of war. So I can't wait to check that out. Anei, wai maria nā hau i te mea kua peripatahi mai a producer Mike, but he's not a producer today. He's actually he mātanga o te ao. What is it? O te ao?
Mātanga MCU.
MC, what's that?
Oh, the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so tell us more about Thor: Love and Thunder.
Well, before we talk about Thor: Love and Thunder, which is the fourth installment of the four series, we must go back to 2011 to Thor, which was the original movie starring Chris Hemsworth as Thor Odinson, the Middleston, which was Loki, who is the god of thunder. But did you know that...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never...
And then when Stormbreaker went straight into the chest of Thanos, he said, "I told you you'd die for that." And then Thanos said, "You should have went for the head," and then clicked. Universe disappeared with a snap. And now we get to Thor: Love and Thunder, directed by Taika Waititi, which is actually Taika Waititi's second Thor film.
Cool. Thank you so much for that, Producer Mike. I took everything on. I just thought it was about love and some bit of rain and thunder, but oh well, let's go. I think we should go and get you some popcorn, eh? We'll go and get you like a big bucket of popcorn.
Well, let's go. I can tell you about the DC universe straight after. Well, you know what, Superman.
The greatest team ever.
Oh, he's my best friend.
Yes. Valkyrie.
We get to fight again.
The Guardians.
Give me those.
And Jane, the old ex-girlfriend.
Judy Foster.
Nā katahia no ka mutu te kiriata nei. Producer Mike and I are just watching the credits roll. And usually, you know, you don't really see any names that you know, but producer Mike and I noticed so many Maori names that worked on this film, not only as actors, but also behind the scenes. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. All whakaaro, your thoughts about that movie?
Oh, I love all the Marvel MCU films.
I think I know that you do.
And the mid-credit scenes and the end-credit scenes usually give you clues to the next film. Hence the reason why you and I and all the real true Marvel fans are staying here.
Yeah, it was cool. It was just so cool to see more Maori on screen, which, yeah, is awesome.
Oh, no popcorn or ice cream in that clip, Rahia. I'm proud of you. Pohokereruana.
Yeah, I said I was on a diet, but then I went home and had a pie.
Hey, speaking of pie, let's see how ka pie that movie was. How many tangi fruits did you give it?
I would give it 4. It was a neat movie, yeah. Just
4 out of 5?
Yes.
4 out of 5, okay, because 4 rhymes with Thor. Yeah, I thought you were going to say that, Rahia.
Next week, we catch up with whānau show host Papa Lindsay Hinare. We were meant to see him last week, but because of unforeseen circumstances, we missed the bus.
Literally. I see what you did there, Rahia. Now, what some of you may not know is that our beautiful Papa Lindsay, who's our popular weekend announcer on Turanga FM's The Whānau Show, he is also a bus driver throughout the week.
And we jump on the bus with Papa Lindsay Hinare next week on Parakuihi.
And we have a little visitor with us as well, a little fiore.
He loved it.
Don't forget, Premier Rugby semi-finals live on the Turanga FM Media Facebook page. We hope you have a wonderful weekend. See you next week. Hei kona.
Hei kona. Hei kona.
Hei kona. Should play it again. Yeah, there it is. Just one more time.
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai raua ko Rahia, 91.7 on air and online. Ko te reo, te take.